Okay, ready? Okay, go.
No.
Open them.
What? Toilet paper. Why toilet paper?
You don't like your present?
You don't like it?
Matthew, that's not nice. Michael, do you like it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, she got toilet paper.
You can really use
I
that.
get toilet paper.
You
You
can really
use
use
that.
Matthew, you don't like it?
What is it? What is it? Oh.
I bought it just for you.
I don't like that.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Michael, how do you like yours?
I want toilet paper for a present. Toilet paper.
Oh, glad you like it.
Toilet paper.
Okay, Matthew. Okay, you can stop recording.